Hello, revolutionaries. This week I want to talk to you about the CEO foxhole of your clients. The CEO foxhole metaphor is that if the CEO of one of your clients was under attack, they have a foxhole that only fits 2 to 3 vendors. Would you be one of them? They can only fit 2 to 3 that they can't fathom life without. Trusted advisors, partners that they can't live without. The rest of their vendors they don't care about because they can replace them with someone who does the exact same thing, probably cheaper. But to be considered to be in the CEO foxhole, you have to be so trusted that they call you anytime they need to make a big decision, well beyond the expertise that you provide. They may be thinking of painting their walls orange at their corporate office, and they call you, not because you know about paint, but because they know that you know someone that does, and you will get the answer to them. So I want you to work on how you can be such a trusted advisor, providing value way beyond the service and products that you and your company provide, but that CEO of your clients cannot fathom doing business without you. Welcome to the customer service revolution.